There's a mystery that has intrigued people for centuries: the Bermuda Triangle. Whatever enters this strange and dangerous place, whether it's a ship or an airplane, never returns. But why? Is there something lurking beneath the waters, a force so powerful that it pulls everything in? Or is it a scientific enigma that remains unsolved? Today, we dive into the shocking and mysterious truth behind this infamous region. Get ready, because what you're about to hear might just leave you in awe and make you think twice before venturing near these treacherous waters. The Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious area in the Atlantic Ocean, roughly shaped like a triangle. It is located between 3 points: Miami, in Florida; Bermuda, an island in the Atlantic; and Puerto Rico, a Caribbean island. Many ships and airplanes have disappeared in this area over the years, without clear explanations. Some people believe strange things happen there, like storms, magnetic forces, or even supernatural forces, which might explain why things disappear. However, scientists think most of these incidents can be explained by bad weather, human mistakes, or problems with the technology. The Bermuda Triangle is famous because of the mysterious stories around it, but it's also just a regular part of the ocean, with nothing truly unusual about it. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, has been a place of mystery and fascination for many years. It is located in the western part of the Atlantic Ocean, and it is said to form a triangle between 3 points: Miami, in Florida; Bermuda, an island in the Atlantic; and Puerto Rico, a Caribbean island. Over time, many people have heard of strange disappearances that happened in this area, especially involving ships and airplanes. Some of the most famous incidents have made the Bermuda Triangle a place people talk about with wonder and fear. One of the earliest and most famous disappearances took place in 1918. The USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy ship, disappeared while traveling from the island of Barbados to the city of Baltimore in the United States. The ship had 306 crew members on board, and it was one of the largest ships of its time. The strange thing is, the ship just vanished without a trace. Despite efforts to search for the ship, no wreckage or clues were ever found. This was a big mystery at the time, and it became one of the first major events to help create the Bermuda Triangle legend. Then, in 1945, an event took place that would make the Bermuda Triangle even more famous. It involved a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19. These planes were on a routine training mission over the Bermuda Triangle. But during the flight, the pilots began to have problems with their compasses. They got confused about their location and became lost. They were not able to find their way back to base. After several hours of radio contact, the planes lost contact completely, and they disappeared. To search for them, the Navy sent out a rescue plane, a PBM Mariner, but that plane also vanished. All 14 crew members from the 5 bombers, as well as the 13 crew members on the rescue plane, were never found. No one knows for sure what happened, but many people have linked this event to the Bermuda Triangle's strange reputation. Another mysterious disappearance occurred in 1948. A commercial airplane, a Douglas DC-3, was flying from San Juan, Puerto Rico, to Miami, Florida. There were 29 people on board, including both passengers and crew. The plane was flying at night, and during the flight, the pilot made contact with air traffic control and reported that everything was fine. But shortly after that, the plane just disappeared from radar, and no one heard from it again. Despite a large search effort by the U.S. Coast Guard and other teams, no wreckage or any sign of the plane was ever found. The disappearance of the Douglas DC-3 remains one of the most puzzling and unexplained accidents in the Bermuda Triangle. One of the more recent and well-known incidents took place in 2015. A cargo ship called the SS El Faro went missing in the Bermuda Triangle while it was traveling from the United States to the Bahamas. The ship was caught in the middle of a strong hurricane called Hurricane Joaquin. The ship's crew, consisting of 33 people, sent out distress signals, but after that, the ship was never heard from again. A few days later, the wreckage of the ship was found at the bottom of the ocean, but the cause of its sinking is still not fully understood. While the ship's disappearance may have been caused by the storm, it still adds to the Bermuda Triangle's mysterious reputation. Scientists, however, have different ideas. They explain that the Bermuda Triangle's mysterious disappearances can be linked to natural causes like severe weather, dangerous ocean currents, and human mistakes. The area is known for violent storms, and it is located along busy shipping routes and flight paths, so it's not surprising that accidents happen. Some experts also suggest that equipment failures or navigational errors might play a big role. However, even though many of the disappearances can be explained by science, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most famous and puzzling parts of the ocean. Despite the many theories, the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. While science can explain most of the incidents, the stories of missing ships, planes, and crews continue to make this part of the world one of the most talked about and mysterious places on Earth. The Bermuda Triangle has been surrounded by mystery and curiosity for many years. Over time, many people have come up with different theories to explain the strange disappearances of ships and airplanes in this area. These theories can be divided into two main groups: scientific explanations and myths and mysteries. Let's explore both sides. Scientific explanations. Scientists have worked hard to find logical reasons for the strange events that have happened in the Bermuda Triangle. While the area has gained a reputation for being a dangerous and mysterious place, most experts believe the incidents can be explained by natural causes. One of the main scientific explanations is bad weather. The Bermuda Triangle is known for having sudden, violent storms that can appear out of nowhere. These storms can create huge waves and strong winds, making it difficult for ships and planes to navigate. The area is also known for tropical cyclones, which are massive storms that can develop quickly, especially during hurricane season. These storms can easily overwhelm small ships or planes and cause them to disappear without a trace. Another possible explanation is magnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle is located in an area where Earth's magnetic field is weaker than in other parts of the world. This can mess with the magnetic compasses on ships and planes, making it hard for pilots and captains to find their way. When navigational tools fail, it's easier for people to get lost, especially in such a large open area like the Bermuda Triangle. A third explanation involves underwater currents. The waters in the Bermuda Triangle are known for having powerful ocean currents. Some scientists believe that strong currents, such as the Gulf Stream, can carry ships and planes off course and drag them deep into the ocean. These currents are so powerful that they can quickly pull ships under the water, making it difficult for anyone to find wreckage. Lastly, some scientists believe that human error plays a big role in many of the disappearances. With so many ships and planes traveling through the Bermuda Triangle, accidents can happen. Mistakes by pilots or ship captains, miscommunication, and even simple navigational errors could easily explain many of the mysterious events, myths, and mysteries. While scientists focus on natural explanations, there are also many myths and mysteries about the Bermuda Triangle that have captured people's imaginations over the years. These ideas are often more mysterious and unexplained, but they continue to be popular in stories and books. One of the most common myths is that the Bermuda Triangle is home to alien activity. Some people believe that UFOs, unidentified flying objects, are responsible for the disappearances. According to this theory, aliens may be taking ships and airplanes to other parts of the universe. While there is no evidence to support this idea, it remains a popular and exciting explanation for many. Another popular theory is that the Bermuda Triangle is the site of an ancient lost city, or Atlantis. According to this idea, the lost city lies beneath the ocean, and its powerful technology may be responsible for pulling ships and planes into the deep. Some believe that there are mysterious forces in the area that are connected to this lost city. However, this is just a myth, and there is no evidence of such a city existing in the Bermuda Triangle. Some people also believe that there are time portals or vortexes in the Bermuda Triangle. According to this theory, these portals can transport people or objects to different points in time or even to other dimensions. This idea is more science fiction than science fact, but it remains an exciting part of Bermuda Triangle lore. Finally, there are those who believe that the Bermuda Triangle is cursed or that supernatural forces are at work. Some people say that the area is haunted by spirits or that it is a place where evil forces dwell. These beliefs have been fueled by the strange disappearances and unexplained events that have occurred over the years. While there is no scientific proof of these supernatural theories, they continue to fascinate people. What's the truth? So, what is the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle? The reality is that there is no one explanation that can fully explain all the mysteries surrounding the area. Many of the incidents that happened in the Bermuda Triangle have been investigated, and most of them can be explained by natural causes, like storms, navigational errors, and ocean currents. However, there are still some incidents that remain unexplained, and that's what keeps people fascinated by the Bermuda Triangle. While the scientific explanations seem the most reasonable, the myths and mysteries continue to capture the imagination of people around the world. Whether you believe in aliens, lost cities, or supernatural forces, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most mysterious and talked about places on Earth. Perhaps we may never fully understand what happens in this strange area of the ocean, but the theories will keep us wondering for years to come. The Bermuda Triangle is a place that has captured the curiosity and imagination of people for many years. So why does it continue to fascinate us? There are several reasons why this mysterious part of the world keeps us intrigued. First, the Bermuda Triangle is a place full of mystery. Despite all the investigations and theories, no one can give a clear answer to the strange disappearances and events that have occurred there. This uncertainty creates an air of suspense and excitement, making people wonder if there is something unusual or even supernatural going on beneath the surface. Second, the stories connected to the Bermuda Triangle often involve dangerous and thrilling events. When people hear about airplanes disappearing in mid-flight or ships vanishing without a trace, it sparks fear and wonder. It's a natural human reaction to be drawn to things that are dangerous or mysterious. These stories make us question the unknown and think about what could be out there in the world that we don't fully understand. Another reason people are so fascinated by the Bermuda Triangle is because of the many theories that surround it. Whether it's the idea of alien activity, the remains of a lost city, or strange magnetic forces, there is no shortage of exciting and imaginative explanations. These theories add a sense of wonder and adventure to the mystery, making people want to dive deeper and explore what could be causing all these strange events. Finally, the Bermuda Triangle represents something that we often see in stories and movies: the unknown. We like to believe that there are still hidden places in the world where mysteries remain unsolved, where adventure awaits, and where the rules of the natural world don't always apply. The Bermuda Triangle, with its strange history and long list of unexplained disappearances, continues to be a symbol of that mystery that we all love to explore. Even though science can explain many of the events that happen in the Bermuda Triangle, there's something about the stories and the unknown that continues to pull people in. Whether it's the thrill of danger, the excitement of mystery, or the endless theories and ideas, the Bermuda Triangle will likely continue to be a topic of fascination for years to come. And maybe, just maybe, we'll never truly know all the secrets it holds.